Friends, today we will talk about what will actually happen to cryptocurrency. How did Trump lose over $100 million on crypto? How has the crypto market changed since Trump took office? We will also discuss what exactly happened with the crypto reserve and how Trump manipulated us. I promise today's video will be very interesting, so make sure to subscribe to the channel and watch until the end. Let's get started. Friends, let's start with the news that Donald Trump is currently facing a significant loss in one of his projects. In my videos, I have repeatedly talked about World Liberty Financial, the Trump family's cryptocurrency project, which is an active player in the market, accumulating various crypto assets. At the time of recording this video, the total portfolio stands at $80 million and includes a variety of coins, from Ethereum to different meme coins on the Solana blockchain. Everything seems quite decent, but it's not as simple as it appears at first glance. The fact is, this wallet is currently at an incredible loss. World Liberty Financial has an unrealized loss of $110 million at its lowest point, with just its Ethereum position alone being down by a staggering $80 million. The average purchase price for Ethereum is $3,240, while the current price is $2,125. An insane result, albeit a negative one. Like many others in the crypto community, I have a question. Does this company really have such extreme losses? Or is it just a cover to prevent them from being accused of market manipulation? Let's try to figure it out. Recently, Trump's team made significant crypto purchases, specifically buying large amounts of Bitcoin and Ethereum. They did this just days before the crypto summit, during which Trump and David Sacks announced supposedly groundbreaking news that was expected to change the entire cryptocurrency landscape and take it to the next level. I have seen many opinions suggesting that this purchase was a sign that we would hear something extremely bullish at the summit, and that the Trump family bought crypto just before the big pump. However, as we can see from the charts, nothing particularly bullish was said. In fact, we now understand that the crypto reserve was nothing more than a manipulation, and everything unfolded exactly as I predicted in my video last week. But let's talk more about that a little later. Right now, the Trump family and their crypto projects are facing a lot of criticism, with many believing that they are not only manipulating the market, but also allowing insiders to profit. Peter Schiff has even claimed that Trump executed the biggest rug pull in crypto history. According to him, several key questions need to be answered. Who is the author of Trump's posts on Truth Social? Who knew about them in advance and when did they receive the information? How much money did insiders invest in XRP, Cardano, Solana, Bitcoin, and Ethereum? If they sold, when and for how much? Is there any connection between these posts and Trump's employees, his family, friends, sponsors, or the Truth Social team? This is quite intriguing, as multiple wallets have already been identified that opened long positions just before Trump's reserve announcement. On March 2nd, an unknown trader deposited $6 million into Hyperliquid to open long positions on Bitcoin and Ethereum with 50x leverage. As you can see from the screenshot, they entered these positions very early and made unreal profits. And rest assured, this is far from the only such wallet. Additionally, this behavior is completely atypical for this trader, further pointing to potential insider games. So, it raises suspicions that Trump's team might actually be profiting from every such event. Throughout his time in office, Trump has already created numerous information triggers and so-called market manipulations. Let's take a closer look at this and, more specifically, how he deceived absolutely everyone. It is important to note that my channel does not promote any political views. This channel is strictly about economics and cryptocurrency. So let's get back to the topic. A little over a week ago, Trump made a post listing the coins that were supposed to be included in the strategic reserve. Despite the overall euphoria in the market following these posts, some people questioned why Solana, XRP, and Cardano were even part of this selection. Shortly after, it was announced that the first crypto summit of the year would take place at the end of that same week. Meanwhile, David Sacks, the person responsible for AI and cryptocurrency development, frequently tweeted that something absolutely huge was coming. And judging by the overall state of the market, you can tell that nothing truly groundbreaking was revealed at this conference. What exactly did we learn? Honestly, absolutely nothing new or exciting. Here's a quick summary of what was said. The US aims to become the global crypto capital. A crypto reserve will be established. BTC assets will serve as a digital version of Fort Knox. The government owns 200,000 Bitcoin and does not plan to sell them. The Treasury and the Department of Commerce are considering additional Bitcoin purchases, and a stablecoin law is expected to be passed by August. To be frank, all of this information was already known before the conference. So of course, after the event, we saw the market continue to decline. It was already clear in advance that what Trump tweeted was not true. He does not have the unilateral authority to decide on cryptocurrency purchases for the reserve. The most he could legally do was to create a Bitcoin reserve from already confiscated crypto assets, which is exactly what he did. Meanwhile, his statements about other altcoins were false. As I mentioned earlier, these coins can only be approved by Congress. Furthermore, rumors are spreading that David Sacks stated these particular coins were chosen simply because they are among the top 5 by market capitalization. All of this paints a rather unpleasant picture, where the so-called crypto reserve ended up being more of a negative event than a bullish catalyst. What do you think about this? Do you believe Trump was simply manipulating the market? And now, I would like to highlight one of the prevailing theories in the market. Some people believe that Trump is deliberately trying to crash the stock market to drive up bond prices and lower their yields. Why? Because the US needs to refinance $7 trillion in debt within 6 months, and supposedly he wants to do it as cheaply as possible. Additionally, lower interest rates from the Federal Reserve could potentially push the stock market to new highs. It sounds like a clever plan, but is it actually realistic? First of all, markets don't move solely at Trump's command. They are influenced by inflation, the Federal Reserve, and geopolitics, among other factors. Secondly, a stock market crash would hurt the economy and damage his own reputation, which contradicts his preference for big numbers on Wall Street. And it's not just stocks that are suffering. Crypto is also taking a hit. Right now, we see Bitcoin and altcoins declining as investors flee from risk, and funds are recording the largest outflows from stocks in recent times. Yes, the $7 trillion debt is a real issue, and refinancing it is a challenge. But bond yields can be lowered without burning everything in the stock or crypto markets. The Federal Reserve operates based on economic data, not just the wishes of a president. So I think this theory leans more toward conspiracy than reality. Trump can influence narratives, but he doesn't control the markets like a magician. The market, both stocks and crypto, is falling not because he wants it to, but due to actual macroeconomic factors. What do you think? Is this manipulation or just a lot of noise? And that's it for today. Remember, these are just my thoughts on the market, not financial advice. Always do your own research before investing. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, hit the like button, and stay tuned for more coin reviews. See you next time.